class 9 and 10. Today, English for today. Let us watch the video. Listen to me and look at the black picture. Everybody, let us watch the video. May Day. What should you see on the video? May Day. What happened those days? Silently look at and listen to what is this. Chicago, May 4, 1886, on this spot. Here, many movement and press daily. Congress of the Second Okay. Let us see pictures below. In the picture, I see a man hand holding a wrench or hammer on the background of black. It is actually, remember that, International Works Day. May Day. Happy May Day. Can you relate any historical event to this picture? What happened on this day? May Day, Unit 3, Events and Festival, Lesson 2. Learning outcomes. After the students have studied this unit, they will be able to talk about events and festivals, ask and answer questions, and give opinions in a logical sequence. In fact, meanings from the context. Keep quiet. It's silent reading on your English for today. Now, new words. Commemorate. Remember something ceremonially. That means Siticharan. Exploit. Shoshon kora. To treat somebody unfairly. Rally. Shobhajatra. A large public meeting. Revolution. Overthrow of government. Biplab. Striker. Dharmagati. Somebody on strike. Arts. Prerona. Dawa. to advise or try hard to pursue somebody to do something. Question and answer. What does May Day refer to? Answer. May Day is a commemoration of the historical struggle and sacrifice of some workers to establish 8 hours work day. 2. How long did the workers have to work a day before the May 1 strike? Answer. They had to work 14 hours or more before it. Number 3. Why did the workers in Chicago go on a strike? Answer. They went on the strike to establish 8 hours working day. 4. What do you learn from the events of the May 1, 1886? Answer. I learned from the events of May 1, 1886 that workers will be exploited until they stand up and speak out to gain better working condition, pay and live. Here, 3 terms: condition, working condition, pay and leaves. Here, 3 items. May Day or International Works Day is observed on May 1 all over the world today to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifice of the working people to establish an 8-hour work day. It is a public holiday in almost all the countries of the world. Since the Industrial Revolution 1 in the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe and the US, the workers in mills and factories had been working a long shift, 14 or even more hours a day. On May 1st in 1896, inspired by the trade union coup, half of the workers at the McCormick Harvest Company in Chicago went on strike demanding an 8-hour work day. 2 days later, a workers' rally was held near the McCormick Harvest Company and about 6,000 workers had joined it. The rally was addressed by the labor leaders. They asked the workers to stand together, to go on with their struggle and not to give in to their bosses. Just at this moment, some strikers started leaving the meeting place. These strikers went down the street to bring them back. Suddenly, about 200 policemen attacked them with clubs and revolvers. One striker was killed instantly. 5 or 6 others were seriously wounded, and many of them were badly injured. The events of May 1, 1896 remember that workers will continue to be exploited until they stand up and speak out to gain better working conditions, better pay and better leave. Here, 3 items: working condition, better pay and better leaves. Now, fill in the blanks with the verbs given in the box, put them into their correct form. Now, listen to me. Tanya is a poor garment worker. She works in a big garment factory in Gazipur. She lives in a slum with a few fellow workers. She works 8 hours a day on monthly salary of Taka 3,000. She does overtime to add some more money to her income. If she can save something, she sends it to her father to support. the family. One day Tanya was busy doing her work in the factory. Suddenly she heard someone shouting, "Fire, fire!" The workers were panic stricken and everyone began to rush to the stairs. There was no enough staircase in the factory building. So some workers were trodden underfoot and some other were injured in some other ways. However, the fire brigade arrived there in minutes and nothing untoward happened. Evolution. Here the question, answer the following question and take information of the basis. Workers were in strike in Chicago. That's the fourth point, Chicago. A new movement calling for the 8-hour work day started in the 1880. What was the synonym of inspire, motivate? Workers were together in Raleigh near the McCormick Harvest Company on 3 May. Since the Industrial Revolution, works had enough period only for 40 hours or more. Homework. Everyone will write 10 sentences on how you have seen to celebrate the International Workers' Day this year. You must write after this in your class teacher. Thank you very much.